We were just sent this over the toilet farmhouse storage cabinet. It actually comes in a nice wood looking finish, as you can come and see. Inside they're going to send you with your instructions, as well as a box of hardware and everything that you need to install this in your bathroom. Let's go ahead and put it together. To start out with any install, it's good to know what parts you have in the box. So we're going to take all the parts like the hardware, our instructions, and all of the actual individual parts in the box and lay them out on the floor. Each one of these pieces is individually lettered so that it can show you in the instructions how to put that together. Any trash that you have along the way, it's good to have a trash can so that you can dispose of this in the waste, and we'll get ready to put it together. Your hardware box has everything that you'll need. There's latches, covers, the actual latch pieces that are going to go in there, handles, hardware. It seems complicated as you're opening this up, but really if you follow the step-by-step guide, I don't think it's going to be as difficult as you think. We're just going to go through a couple of steps. I will note that you will need to have a Phillips head screwdriver and probably a good idea to have a small hammer to do this. They did not come in there, but they're usually tools you would have around the house. So this is the first piece we've had to do here at step 3, using these cam locks. Now these cam locks, they look like that. And what they do is you need to find out where the pin, which is like these here, are going to be going through this hole and up into this cam. So you want to make sure to put the bottom open part of the cam facing down towards that hole so that this will slide right over the top and in. And then using your screwdriver, you're going to turn this piece here and lock it into place by turning it clockwise. We've come to the point now where it wants us to install one of the backing pieces. Now this is the one that's actually got the adhesive tape on the back, as you can see like that. This is item number P. We're actually going to slide that down into the back side of this like that, because this is the back. We've got the base part of this, and it says you can actually slide this part back behind your toilet and attach this piece on once it's around the back. I've gone ahead and test fit this behind there, and it slides back there without any obstruction. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this on here first and then put it behind. Now that we've got this all put together, it's got several areas that are convenient for storage, such as this lovely barn door look here. I really like their attention to detail with this. It also comes with these little patches, which you can utilize to, when you're done, go find little areas where those cams were, and you can cover those up, and that kind of helps hide those. Any of these little excess stickers peel right off, so no worries there. One thing I did want to mention, it comes with some hardware that you can use to mount it to the wall, to secure it to the wall. We're going to still adjust it a little bit, but then we'll secure this to the wall. And then this area here actually is for toilet paper, to let your toilet paper feed through this hole, utilizing this rod that fits into those holes. But if you are putting this in a bathroom that already has a toilet paper roll holder like we do, we found it's kind of fun just to take a box of tissues and put them in there. And now you've got a convenient tissue storage that you can utilize like that.